Grab this from the link below if you're tired of spending a small fortune at the coffee shop every single morning. Seriously, stop scrolling because I think I've found the ultimate hack for your kitchen counter. This is the AIRMSEN 20-bar espresso machine, and honestly, it's a total game changer for anyone who loves a good latte, but hates the complicated barista routine. The first thing you'll notice is how compact it is. If you're living in a smaller apartment or just don't want your coffee gear taking over your entire counter, this fits perfectly. What really sold me is the touchscreen. It's incredibly intuitive. You literally just tap a button, and the machine handles the heavy lifting for you. It's got a dual boiler system, which means you aren't waiting around forever for your coffee to be ready. You get that rich creamy crema on your espresso, and the automatic milk frother is a lifesaver. It creates that perfect velvety foam for cappuccinos without you having to master the art of manual steaming. Now, is it perfect? If you're a hardcore coffee snob, looking for a super intense, heavy-bodied shot, you might find yourself tweaking your grind settings a bit. But for the average person who just wants a delicious cafe-style drink before heading out the door, it is fantastic. It's reasonably priced, looks great, and honestly it's worth every penny just for the convenience alone. Cleaning up is a breeze too, which is usually where these machines lose me. It's straightforward, no fuss, and gets the job done quickly. If you've been on the fence about getting an espresso machine, this is a solid, reliable way to upgrade your morning routine without breaking the bank. It really does make the whole coffee shop and home thing feel like a reality. Check it out at the link below and start leveling up your mornings.